Retiming marks define the end of the intro and the start of the outro in an Alight Motion element, allowing it to adapt when its time duration is adjusted after adding it to a project. You could set these marks by scrolling the timeline to the desired time, tapping Settings, and then selecting Mark End of Intro or Mark Start of Outro as appropriate. The middle, between the intro and the outro, will behave according to the mode listed under Retiming in the settings. Freeze will hold a last frame of the middle as a freeze frame if it is not long enough or automatically trim it down if it's too long. Loop will loop any animation from the end of the intro to the start of the outro, trimming the middle part appropriately if an exact number of loops don't fit. Stretch will extend or compress the middle part in time to match whatever duration is required. Loop and stretch are the same as loop, but partial loops are eliminated by slightly stretching or compressing each loop in time so that the last loop matches up seamlessly with the beginning of the outro.